Hello and welcome. Okay, so today I'm going to be attempting a Dutch pour. I attempted maybe about a handful of them so far, and one has turned out decent. So fingers crossed that we get a good one today. The white I am using is the Loft Acrylic. I am also using the Loft Light Magenta, Loft Deep Yellow, and Loft Turquoise. There is no silicone added into this. Alright, so first I'm going to lay down some blue, and I'm just going to go in the middle, maybe do a little wave, I don't know, we'll see. And a little bit of the pink. I might put a little bit more of the turquoise down. Just a little bit. Get these out of the way. Now I'm going to lay down my white on either side. And if you want to turn your volume down, this is going to get a little loud. Stop and see what we have here. We have a lot of paint still on the canvas. I might blow some more of it off. Alright, sorry about that. My cat wanted out on her enclosed porch, so had to stop and let him out. I kind of want to try to blow a little bit more off. Just at this corner. think I'm starting to make mud. So, but I will try to use a straw, maybe blow out some of these corners. And I apologize if my head gets in the way, but that's what we're going to do. Okay, I think I'm going to stop there. All in all, it looks a lot better than the other ones. I'm going to keep on practicing and eventually I'll get it. Let me know what you guys think. If you think this is cool, do I need to use less paint, better colors? Anyway, well, thank you for watching. I'll see you later.